Attention, sing Saraswati Namasubhyam. Shanties, attention, sing Vande Mataram. Shanties, all of you please be seated.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, 50 is standing before you to conduct today's meditation. Start each day with a grateful heart and a positive mindset. Now, I welcome Adit to conduct today's meditation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Artha Rajkumar. Today, I am conducting meditation. Who has specs and mask? Please remove them. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra, Raga Mudra. Keep backbone straight. Close your eyes and start doing meditation. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Repeat it for 5 more times. Rub your palms. Repeat it. See your palms and wishes you have a great day. Thank you.
Be kind with small acts, and kindness can create ripples of positivity. Now, I welcome Manvika to conduct today's start of the day.
Morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Manvika. Now I am telling thought of the day. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind finds flaw in everything. Meaning, maintaining a positive attitude helps to you see opportunity. I repeat, a positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind flood in everything. Thank you.
Read the article till you get an idea of the topic. Now I welcome Shresh to read today's news.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shresh. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am reading newspaper. All of you open page number 7. Reach for the stars. Space gaze. Uranus at opposition. On November 17, Uranus will reach its closest point to Earth, which its face fully illuminated by the sun, making it brighter than at any other time this year. The planet will be visible at night, offering the best opportunity for viewing. However, even at its brightest, Uranus will appear as a small blue-green dot visible only through strong telescope. Leonid's meteor shower. An average shower typically produced up to 15 meteors per hour at its peak. It is known for its cyclonic peak occurring roughly every 33 years when hundreds of meteors per hour can be seen. The last event was in 2001. The shower is caused by dust particles from comet Tempel Tuttle discovered in 1865. This year, the Leonids will peak on the night of November 17 and the morning of November 18. A nearly full moon will obscure most meteors through the brightest one may still be visible. The best time for viewing is after midnight from dark location, meteors will radiate from the constellation Leo, but can be seen in any part of the sky. Mercury at greatest eastern elongation. The planet reaches its greatest eastern elongation of 22.5 degrees from the Sun and November 16. The Sun is the best time to view Mercury since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the evening sky. Look for the planet low in the western sky just after sunset. Thank you.
The song intro gives an idea of the song style, and while establishing the key of the basic rhyme and style is that you create the song. Now I welcome Vimal and his team to sing a song.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pamitej. I am studying 5th grade. Today, 5th class, going to sing a song. Good morning to all. My name is Joshi Surya from 5th standard A section. Today, we are going to sing a song. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayan Khan. Today, we are going to sing a song. Every person is a gift of God. Every person is a gift of God. Every person is a gift of God. A wonderful, marvelous gift. A wonderful, marvelous gift. I am a gift. You are a gift. A very special gift. Every person is a gift of God. Every person is a gift of God. Every person is a gift of God. A wonderful, marvelous gift. Thank you.
People like stories that have a before and after equality. Now I welcome Harshal to read today's story.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Asal, standing before you to tell a story. Once upon a time, there was a kid named Kiran. He likes education and he is an orphan. He is living with his grandparents. He don't have money to study, so her grandparents are trying to educate him. So he got a scholarship from school. After several days, he got the position leader. Anyone know the meaning of this story? Today reader, tomorrow leader. Thank you.
Thanks everyone who attended the event and helped it make it success.
Everyone stand up. Attention. Studies.
Today, Kedar from 50 and Jashvita from 9th IT are celebrating their birthday. Everybody please wish them.
Attention. Studies. Attention.
National anthem begin. Janagana mana adinayaka jaya hai Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Utkala Jaladhi Taranga तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है